morning, and I'm super excited because Betty went shopping. So I shopped at the Dollar Tree, and I shopped at Hobby Lobby, and I shopped at a thrift store. So I'm just going to show y'all some fall things because I'm getting ready for fall, because I'm getting ready to decorate my home. Okay, the Dollar Tree. And they have up their game. I can't believe it. They have. Even though they went up 25 cents, maybe that's really up their game, but I don't know. But I got this little rug thing that says Hello Fall. And I'm going to do something different with these. These going to be some DIYs that I'm going to this. And when I saw it, I knew exactly what I was going to do with it. And chalkboard in the bag. You can write whatever you want. And then it also has a sign in the front. And I just love this sign, so I'm probably going to do nothing with that. I might go ahead and do some extra stuff on it. Now these are $5. You know, they have $1.25, but then they have the $5. And I just love the little handle that they had on it. Then I got another tray that says gather, and that'll be a good tray for like Thanksgiving. But I'm going to, I might incorporate it into my fall and August. And then they had some pumpkins. I love these pumpkins. They are too cute. I can make them, but I didn't want to make any this year. I have made some, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them on a link below where I made some of these at. So this is gonna go into my decoration. They had these cute little boxes. They just have different things on it, and you can change them out, or you can just leave them like they are. They had this little cute little pumpkin, the L on it. That's part of my last name. And I just love this, and I'm going to put this somewhere in my house. Then they had these. These just like farmhouse look. And y'all know I love my farmhouse look. You'll be seeing it somewhere around. I'll probably put some flowers down off in it or something. They had this sign here. If I'm going to leave that like it is, but I'll see. I found this sign that says no place like home. I couldn't pass it up. And then I found these little jars here, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna put some lights in it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but y'all, what I did with it. I showed this on my last video. These are so cute. They was $5. One of my friends was there and she was showing them to me. She said, "Oh, Betty, they lights up." And I said, "Really?" And so I turned the light up. She said, "No, isn't that so cute?" I said, "No, it is cute." Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them in a tray or something and decorate it some kind of way. But that is gonna be, now these is $5 though. I also bought these signs here. And for $5, you go to Hobby Lobby, this probably be, oh gosh, probably 20 or I don't know, $25, $30, depending on what kind you got. And this says blessed, and it's got the little pumpkin at the bottom. And I have a tablecloth that's gonna go just perfect with that. And I'm probably gonna just put it around in my home somewhere. But I'm gonna use that for fall. And I got one more, and this will be all from the dollar store. This one that says fall. You know, trying to beef them up a little bit, but that's all the things that I got from the dollar store. Oh, I went to Michael because in my little small town, we don't have a Michael. We have a Hobby Lobby, but we don't have a Michael. And they had these on sale. And I think I didn't pay, the regular was, wow, the regular was $39.99. But this sign, if this is gonna go, y'all already know where this gonna go. My dear husband bought it for me, he's so sweet. I also got this sign here. That didn't cost me but $6. From $39 to $6, I think that was a good buy. And this right here, this was $24.99, and I think I got it for $5. But I can always change these letters out and put whatever I want. I might put it in my kitchen or my coffee station. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. And then I'll probably just write some different things on it. Okay, so that's all the things I got from Michael. While I was in Dallas, I'm gonna find a Goodwill or some kind of thrift store while I'm somewhere because I want to see what they got. And I found this. I think I had this in one of my videos, Trash to Treasure. I had to get this. I love that color. I love that farmhouse look. I had to get that. And I'm probably gonna put some flowers in it and decorate it around the house somewhere. And also, I got this sign here. This is going to be a DIY. I'm going to change it out to something else. I found this pumpkin here. Isn't that cute? It's made out of wood. I don't know if I'm going to put some little stands things at the bottom of it, or and then I don't know, I'm going to decorate it some kind of way. Then I found this little cute pumpkin here. That is so cute. I'm probably going to change that color. I ain't particular about the color and the bow thing on it, but it's a good starting point. There's another pumpkin that I found at Goodwill. Isn't that cute? I just love it. I don't know if I'm gonna change this out and it, or I might just leave it like it is. I think it's cute, just the way it is because of the detail and the texture of it. It just is so pretty. I might change out some of the stuff right here at the top, but I mean, it's in good shape. I love it. I love trays, y'all. I don't know how many trays I got. Trays, lamps, and then all of that is my favorite. But what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna redo it. It's got Christmas stuff on it, and I don't too much like that. So I'm probably gonna change all that, take that out, or paint over it and put another sign or something on it and make it a more up to date. Okay. So that's all I have for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed my video, and thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all got some inspiration. Y'all have a blessed day, and y'all have a safe day. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. But try to watch my video to the end if it's all possible, and give me that thumb up. And to let YouTube know that y'all do like my videos, and write me a comment. Enough been said. Y'all have a blessed day, have a safe day, and may God forever bless each and every one of you. And always remember that God do love you so much, and so do I. And now I'm going to say bye-bye until the next video. I'm getting my house ready for fall. Don't miss any of them. Okay, bye-bye.